How to log into JCPenney Mastercard Credit Card account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can log into your JCPenney credit card account. The first step is to open up any web browser. On the search bar, search for jcpenny.com. Now, on this page, tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on the option of JCPenney Credit Card. Now, on this login portal, first of all, enter your user ID. Then, on the second box, enter your password. If you want your user ID to be remembered, tap on the option of Remember User ID. Now tap on the option of Secure Login. If all of your details are correct, you will be successfully logged into your credit card account. In case you have forgotten your user ID, tap on the option of User ID. Here you will have to enter your account number, then enter your zip code. Now tap on the Continue option. Follow the on-screen prompts in order to recover your user ID. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on the Password option. Then you will have to enter your user ID and zip code. Tap on the Continue option. After that, you will have to reset your password. Then log in using your new password. In case you are new to this, you can tap on the Register option or Apply option given below. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.